Hi everyone, I am Subhadip. So in this video I am going to explain three questions, and these three questions were asked in 2024 JEE Main on 4th April. So first question was from binomial expansion. So what we have to find? We have to find the coefficient of x to the power 7 in this expansion. So this is 1 minus x square plus x cube to the power 5, right? So if we do calculation, this we can take here common x square. So 1 minus x, this was 6, right? So this is 6. This is equals to 1 minus x into 1 minus x square. So this will be 6, this will be 6. Now if we expand this, what will happen? So this will be 1, then minus 6c1 x plus 6c2x square minus 6c3x cube plus dot dot plus x power 6. These things we get, and then plus 1 minus 6c1 x square plus 6c2 x square whole square minus 6c3 x square whole to the power 4 plus dot 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 plus x square whole to the power 6. So these things we get. Now when we get x to the power 7, so first of all if we take here from x, and in the second term if we take x to the power 6, then we will get, so this will be 3, right? So then we get x to the power 7. Again if we take x square and x to the power 5, then we get x to the power 7, but x to the power 5 we will not get in this expansion, so this is cancelled. So if we take x3 into x4, so we get x to the power 3 here and 4. So if we take 1 6, it will happen, then 3 4, and then if we take x4, it will be x3, but x3 will not be there, so this will cancel. Now x5 we can get here, so 5 2 we can get, and then x6 1, but we will not get x6 1, so this will not consider. So these three things can be happen. So for these things, so coefficient of uh, coefficient of x to the power 7 equals to, so first of all we take 1, so coefficient 1, so here minus 6c1 into coefficient of 6, x to the power 6. So x to the power 6, where we get, here we get x to the power 6, so this will be minus 6c3. So first is this, then plus second is, here we get 3 and 4, so 3 coefficient of x cube will be this, so minus 6c3 into coefficient of x to the power 4, this is here 6c2, then plus x to the power 5. So x to the power 5 coefficient will be what, next term will be plus, then minus, so minus 6c5, right? So next term will be what, this next term will be plus 64 x to the power 4, then next term will be 65, so 65, here we get 65, then what we have to check now, 5 coefficient we get, so we need 1, so this will be minus 6c1. So if we calculate this, this will give you the coefficient of x to the 6. So minus 61, that means minus 6 into, so 63, so this will be minus 63 means what, factorial 6 into factorial 3 into factorial 3, so 6 into 3 into 6 into 5 into 4, then 3 will be cancelled, 3 into 2, so this will cancel, so this will be 20. Then what will happen, similarly this will be minus 20, and then this will be 6 into 5, then 2 into 1, right? Now this will be minus, so this will plus. So 6c5 means factorial 6 into factorial 5, so this will be 6 into this will be 6. So what we get, this is 120 minus this will be 3, so this will be 120 minus 300 plus 36, so this will give you 156 minus 3 uh, 0 0, so this will give you minus 144. So this will be the answer. Let me check the answer. Yes, so this will be answer for this question, minus 144, right? So let's go to the second question. So second question will be from maximum minimum. So we have to check maximum and sum of maximum and minimum value. So suppose y equals to fx, right? So this is given that this is 2x square minus 3x plus 8 divided by 3x square plus 3x plus 8. Now we will check the range of this function. So we can check the 3x square plus 3x plus 8. This, sorry, this is 2x square, right? So 2x square plus 3x plus 8, this will be always greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Why? Because we can take common 2, then this will be x square plus 3 by 2x plus 4, then this will be 2 into x plus uh, x plus this will be x square plus we can write 2 into x into 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 whole square, then 4 minus 3 by 4 whole square. So this can be written as actually square of some two terms, so this will always greater than 0, right? Now so let us find the range of y from here. So we have to find y, right? So to find y, what we do, so y into 2x square plus 3x plus 8 equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 8. So this will implies that 2y minus 2 into x square, then plus 3y plus 3 plus 8y minus 8 equals to 0. Now to find the real value of x, what we have to find, this discriminant greater than 0. So d greater than equals to 0. So that means what? That means b square, so 3y plus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2y minus 2 into 8y minus 8, this will be greater than equals to 0, right? So this is equals to, so this is 3y plus 3 whole square minus, if we take common here 2 and 8, so this will be 64 into y minus 1 whole square greater than equals to 0. So this can be written as 3y plus 3 whole square minus 8y minus 8 whole square greater than equals to 0, right? Now if you do a plus b into a minus b, what we get? So a plus b means, so 11y minus 5 into a minus y means minus 5y plus 11 greater than equals to 0. Now this is implies that y in minus 5 by 11, and if we take common minus and multiply this, this will be less than 0, and we get y minus 11 by 5. So our real line is this, and this is 5 by 11, this is 11 by 5, right? So 11 by 5 means 2 point something. So if you take value 3, then this will be positive, this will be positive. That means here our value is positive. Then here will be negative, here will be positive, right? So when we get this value, so y belongs to what? Minus 5, sorry, plus 5 by 11 to 11 by 5. So our range we get this. So what will be the maximum? This will be maximum, this will be minimum. What will be the sum? So sum will be 5 by 11 plus 11 by 5. If we calculate this, this will be 55, and then 25 plus 120 1. So this will be what? So this will be 6 4 146 divided by 55, right? So the answer will be for this question 146 divided by 55. So this will be answer for this question. So let us go to the third question. So third question was from complex number. So what is given in that question? This condition is given mod z, sorry, not mod z. So this is z bar whole square plus mod z, this is equals to 0, and alpha is the sum of the roots of this equation and beta is the product of the roots of this equation. Then we have to find 4 into alpha square plus beta square. So if you take z equals to alpha plus I beta, then what will be z bar? Z bar will be alpha minus I beta, right? So if we put here, so alpha minus I beta whole square plus root over of alpha square plus beta square, this will be 0. Now this is implies that alpha square minus this will beta square minus 2i alpha beta plus root over of alpha square plus beta square, this will be 0, right? If we got this. Now if we compare, what we get, alpha square minus beta square plus root over alpha square plus beta square, this is equals to 0, and alpha beta equals to 0. Now alpha beta equals to 0 means one case will be happen when alpha is 0, beta is non-zero. This can be happen, or this will also happen, alpha not equals to 0, beta not equals to 0. So when alpha is 0, then what will happen from here? Alpha is 0 means minus beta square plus this will be alpha is 0, so this will be root over beta square, that means mod beta equals to 0, right? So mod of beta equals to beta square. So when this will satisfy, when beta is plus minus 1, right, then this will satisfy. And this is both not, this is not equals to 0, but this is 0, right? So when beta is 0, what will happen? Alpha square plus mod alpha is 0. So when this can be happen, this will not possible because alpha square means minus mod alpha. So alpha was real, right? Alpha was real here. So this possible when alpha is 0, but alpha is 0 contradict this fact. So this will not possible. So our alpha, so alpha is, so from here alpha is 0. So alpha is 0 solution. So alpha is 0, not possible, not. This is alpha is 0. Alpha is 0. So our solutions are what? Alpha equals to 0 and beta equals to plus minus 1, or and one case we get what? Alpha is 0, beta is also 0, right? So our numbers will be, z is when alpha is 0, beta is plus minus 1, that means I minus I, and then when alpha is 0, beta is 0, so this will be 0. Now what is the sum of the roots? So it will be confusing, it alpha beta. Let us change this. This is small a and this is small b, right? Then this will be easy. So what is a? So a is the sum of these roots. So a is sum of these roots means 0, and b is what? B is product, that means I into minus I. So this will be minus I square means plus 1. So we get a and b. Now we have to find her. We change this a and b. So 4 into a square plus b square. So this will be what? This will be 4 into a square means 0. A square means 0 and b square means 1. So this will be 4. So for this question, the answer will be 4. So these three questions I explained. These three questions are very easy questions and you can solve it. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. And also, if you like this video, you can share with your friends. And I will upload all the questions of these PIQs. So let's connect to the channel also. Bye.